Hello all, good afternoon and welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So today we are going to discuss on monsoon skincare, hair tips and tricks, to prevent your hair from breakage or detangling. So let's start. Hello, let me know if I am audible just by a thumbs up so I know that we can start. Hi Rachel. Hi Shefali. Yeah. Hi Aruna. Nice to see you all. So, see, monsoon season is a fun season, but it can be annoying for some people with skin and hair concerns. So, a lot of people face dandruff issues and breakage issue and hair fall during this rainy season. So how we can basically prevent it with all your kitchen ingredients. Today I've not come with any fancy ingredients. It's just whatever is there in your kitchen, we are going to use that. Okay, so let me just brief you on what I'm going to take. So for the first recipe I'm taking flaxseed. So what I did is I have made powder of it. Okay, just grind it in the dry grinder, and we'll take powder of flaxseed. Then the second thing is coconut milk. Okay, and we are going to take coconut oil, lavender essential oil. It's optional, but I love it, so we are going to take lavender essential oil, and your drinking water. Okay, so let us start with it. So what I'm going to do is take two spoonful of flaxseed powder, to which I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of 2 to 3 tablespoons of drinking water. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll just give it a stir. So this will form like a gel kind of thing. Okay, now to this I'll add coconut milk, 2 tablespoons. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, and we'll add to it a tablespoon of coconut oil, and few drops of lavender essential oil. Like I'm adding 5 drops of lavender essential oil. So give it a final mix. Okay, keep it aside for around 5 to 10 minutes, so let it get activated. Okay, and after it is activated, what we are going to do is post when your hair is wet. Okay, so this we can use as a nourishing mask kind of thing. So you can apply it, divide your hair into 4 parts, and with the help of a comb divide it, and just take this in your palms and just apply it from the hair length, like from the scalp to the hair ends. Okay, so what it will do is it will make your hair stronger, plus it will make your hair shinier as well. Okay, so try doing it once a week and this will be really helpful. So keep it aside first for around 10 minutes and then apply it as a hair mask. Okay, so this is one of my remedy for monsoon, and which is very effective. The second thing which I'll tell you now is take this is a second remedy. Okay, so I'm taking 2 spoons of moong dal. Okay, I guess every Indian kitchen will have it. So 2 spoon of moong dal and 2 spoon of methi seeds. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to soak it overnight. Soak it overnight, and in the morning when you wake up, in the morning what you it will be like this. Okay, so to this what we are going to do is add 10 to 12 curry leaves, okay, and 10 to 12 tulsi leaves, okay, and grind it to fine paste. So your paste will look like this. So this is your another deep conditioning hair mask, which is very effective in rainy season. So this is the second remedy which I was telling. So other thing is you can do use a wide tooth comb, you know, when you are brushing your hair, so you will not break your hair, and start from the ends. So first clear the tangled hair from the below portion and then start with the roots. So this will avoid breakage of the hair. Even when you come out from the rain, make sure if your hair is wet, wash your hair and dry it properly, because even this rainwater can cause fungal infections and itchiness in the scalp. Okay, so that is one of the tip which I would like to give you. Then this moong dal powder, okay, so moong dal powder mixed with rose water and a few drops of lemon juice. So this can be used post shampoo as your conditioner. Leave it for like just 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it with just a cold water. So that will also be helpful. Any questions if you have, let me know, so I'll guide you. One quick tip is use coconut oil, okay, and deeply massage your hair. So what you can do is take about half a katori of coconut oil, to which you add methi seeds, okay, and on a double boiler just warm a bit until your methi seeds have turned red in color. So once it turns red, just switch off the gas and let it sit for a while, and after that you can just fill it in the bottle and use it as your hair oil. That will also be one of the helpful tip. Any questions? Hi Mona, hi Gulshan. Any tips for curly hair? So curly hair people, definitely you guys need you have to shampoo, then condition, also apply a hair serum. So one tip definitely for the curly hair is, I prefer whenever I bring drumsticks and whenever we use it in sambar or anything, so we keep this water, when it is boiling, just store it aside and put it in a spray bottle and use it as your final rinse later when you are post washing your hair. So that will also help for the curliness and also will give you a nice shine to the hair. Hi Lakshmi, hi Pallavi. Yeah, hope you all are doing good. So do let me know after trying these tips, and leave me your comment and tag us at Skin Revive India if these tips were helpful for you. Thank you all for joining. See you all soon next week with the new tips. Thank you all. Bye.